What's up, guys? We're unboxing WWE Extra, WWE Extra Ultimate Edition, unboxing Diamond Dallas Page. So yeah, in height, and from the jerseys on finishers, Diamond Cutter, Core Highlights, ECW World Heavyweight Champion, and ECW United States Champion. So yeah. If you guys do not check out my unboxing videos and my setups, check those out. So yeah, let's get this out right now. And it says ECW and it says face, yeah. And then here we have Bane. And then here's the figure. Oh, it comes with glasses too. And here it comes with the glasses. It comes with two faces. Like a mad one. And it comes with the young one. Yeah. It comes with a shirt. It comes with this is DDP in the back. Another one says AWL. The New World Order. It comes with a bunch of interchangeable words. So it comes with a bunch of interchangeable hands. It comes with the fisted hands. And it comes with the open hands. So yeah. And it comes with the mad head skin. It comes with the screaming one. And it comes with the glasses. And then it comes with two cloth jackets. It comes with AW, New World Order. And it comes with the DDP. So yeah, now let's get the figure. I'll be back. DDP. No, here we have Diamond Dallas Page. So yeah, it comes with a necklace, and it comes with the hair. This is a smiling head scan, by the way, and it comes with a bunch of tattoos. And it comes with elbow pads. And then for the pants, it says DDP there, and the same as this says DDP, and it comes with black pants, and it comes with like a white thing or something like that. So yeah, let's put everything on. Be back. I'm back, guys. Here we have my Diamond Dallas Page. This figure is sick. He comes with the glasses, and I put every single accessory on. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the rest of my AEW figures. NWO figure. He comes with a smile and head scan, like I said. He comes with a mad one, a pose one, whatever. He comes with holding hands and fisted. Hands. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the rest of my 8 NWO figures. I'll be back. We have all my NWO figures here. We have Hulk Hogan, Kevin Nash. I forget this one. So yeah, check out my NWO 3-pack unboxing video. Check that one out. So yeah, I don't know what face is better. Let me know down in the comments down below which head scan's better for Diamond Dallas Page. So yeah, let me know down in the comments down below. So yeah. I have to go subscribe. Subscribe my YouTube channel, subscribe button, leave a comment. Check out my Series 1 unboxing video. And check out my John Cena, Basic Rey Mysterio unboxing video, which is in the short. Subscribe, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment. Done. Out. And check out my Friday Night SmackDown setup. No, check out my Monday Night Raw setup. My bad. My Monday Night Raw setup's in the short. Done. Out.